Well, hello everyone, and welcome to this guide on how to use Hiver to assign emails and track responses. If your department is constantly buried under an avalanche of unallocated messages, accidental double replies, or overlooked client follow-ups, your communication infrastructure is compromised. When several staff members attempt to oversee a collective box like info at, sales at, or help at using standard Gmail, no one knows who is exactly taking charge of a message. Crucial client conversations fall through the cracks, turnaround times plummet, and your company risks losing valuable contracts or long-term accounts due to simple operational disorganization. Hiver remedies this vulnerability by embedding transparent ownership workflows and real-time activity tracking directly over your familiar Gmail view, without forcing your workforce to adapt to an entirely external help desk application. It operates as a streamlined browser add-on that integrates natively with your existing mail sidebar by converting anonymous email strings into auditable individual tasks with designated owners and progress indicators. It guarantees that every inquiry is addressed promptly by the proper specialist. Also, if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. The foundational step to establishing email accountability begins in your shared sidebar layout. When a new message hits your shared address, it automatically bypasses personal folders and populates directly into a centralized repository visible to the entire department. To view these incoming items, open your Gmail sidebar and click on the folder labeled Unassigned. This folder acts as your primary sorting dock, housing every single message that requires a designated owner. To assign an email and prevent multiple agents from accidentally responding to the same message, open the conversation card and look at the contextual control panel on the right side of your layout. Click on the Assignee drop-down menu to display a live searchable directory of your active team members. Go ahead and select a colleague's name or choose your own to instantly delegate sole responsibility for that entire conversation thread. The moment you confirm, the conversation card instantly migrates out of the general unassigned pool and moves directly into the team's view and the specific owner's mine folder, alerting them to take action. Delegating an email is only half the battle. Keeping track of where an issue stands in its life cycle is equally vital for maintaining swift response times. Hiver tracks conversational progress by enforcing three explicit thread states, manageable via the status selector inside the message header. You have open, pending, and closed. For open, this indicates that the email is currently active, unassigned, or actively being investigated by the designated owner. It demands attention and remains visible in all active work queues. And then you have pending. This state is vital for maintaining clean folders. Toggle the status to pending when you have replied to client but require further clarification or when you're waiting on internal feedback from another department. This temporarily moves the thread out of your immediate daily view but keeps it ready to automatically pop back into the open folder the exact second the customer replies. For closed, this is when a conversation reaches its logical conclusion and the client's needs are fully resolved. When that happens, change the status to closed. This archives the thread away, helping your team achieve an organized, clutter-free workspace. Now, beyond simple assignments, true responsiveness requires built-in mechanics to prevent overlapping internal work. Even with strict delegation, busy multi-user environments occasionally see two or more agents viewing the same conversation card at the identical time during sudden traffic spikes. Whenever multiple team members open an identical active message, Hiver flashes a prominent collision alert banner at the very top of the email content body. This visual indicator dynamically displays the live names and avatars of any other staff members reading the same thread. If a colleague begins to type a response, the layout displays a real-time typing indicator, providing a hard behavioral stop that eliminates duplicate client messages before they happen. For complex account handoffs or onboarding scenarios, your agents can also deploy shared drafts directly within the composition module. Instead of isolating an email reply in a separate editor or copy-pasting it over external team chats for review, click the Shared Draft checkbox to sync your live text with a senior colleague. This allows multiple authors to edit, refine, and polish support copy together right inside the thread layout before sending. As your volume scales, managing assignments effectively demands a secondary layer of data classification. Hiver handles this organizational hurdle by letting your department build custom tags to label and isolate specific issues instantly. To construct these parameters, administrators can access the Tag Management Console located within the Sidebar Preferences matrix to build color-coded custom labels. You can establish tags tailored to your company's workflow, such as high priority, billing error, technical bug, or VIP client. Applying these labels to active message threads syncs the data across all authorized team members in real time. This centralized tag mapping creates a highly scannable workflow for your frontline personnel. An agent can click on a specific tag from their sidebar options to instantly screen out unrelated traffic and target a specific class of issues. This structure allows supervisors to easily track how many specialized tickets are pending across different departments, boosting overall team transparency. Also, if you want to try Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. One of the most transitional elements of this integrated help desk infrastructure is the ability to consult with your colleagues on complex customer issues without creating messy forward loops or losing context in third-party messaging platforms. To leverage this feature, look directly below this active email text for the toggle labeled Email Notes. Switching to this view changes the response field into an internal private workspace. When you type an explanation, paste technical logs, or use an @mention to tag a teammate, the text publishes a highlighted yellow note anchored straight to that exact point in the conversation history. Because this layer is strictly isolated within the Hiver application interface, the client can never see these background discussions. Your team can securely troubleshoot technical bugs, debate pricing exceptions, and pass crucial background data back and forth, preserving a permanent audit trail of internal collaboration right next to the customer's questions. To further accelerate your operational response speed and eliminate manual triage friction, you can implement the platform's background automation framework. This removes the administrative burden of sorting incoming messages by routing specific topics to the correct expert automatically. Supervisors can configure these workflows by opening the main settings layout and selecting the SLA and Automation Rules Builder. This logic-driven interface runs an intuitive if-then rules. For instance, you can program a trigger stating, if an outbound message body contains technical terms like login, error, or server down, then automatically apply a tag bug label and assign ownership straight to your engineering lead. You can also use this rule engine to manage strict service timelines. If an email lands in an unassigned pool and sits idle without an owner for over 2 hours during peak business times, a custom trigger can automatically elevate its status to overdue and ping the shift manager. This algorithmic layer organizes your inbox behind the scenes, thus improving your response times. In summary, moving your business away from a chaotic, shared email wilderness and into a highly streamlined hub relies entirely on setting up structured folders and assigning explicit ownership to every incoming thread. So if you would like to use Hiver yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to book a free demo and see how it can improve your team's email management. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.